Welcome to today's tutorial on how to reply to a sent message on Instagram from your PC, following the latest update. If you've been struggling to keep up with your conversations on Instagram's desktop version, you're in for a treat. This new update simplifies the process significantly. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Make sure you log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar layout that makes navigating through your feed and messages easy. Next, click on the messages icon located in the left menu. This icon looks like a paper airplane and is your gateway to all your direct messages. Clicking it will bring up a list of your conversations, making it simple to find the chat you want to engage with. Now, open the chat that contains the message you wish to reply to. Scroll through your messages until you locate the specific conversation. This is where you can see all past messages exchanged with that user. Once you've found the message you want to respond to, look for the reply icon next to it. This icon will appear when you hover over the message. Click on this icon, and a reply box will open up, allowing you to quote the original message for clarity. Now it's time to write your message. Type out your response in the text box provided. This feature helps keep conversations organized by linking your reply directly to the specific message you're addressing. Finally, once you're satisfied with your response, click Send. Your reply will be sent instantly, just as if you were using the mobile app. This new method ensures that staying connected with friends and followers is seamless and efficient. And there you have it. Replying to messages on Instagram from your PC has never been easier thanks to this update. Make sure to try these steps out next time you're at your computer and want to catch up on conversations without reaching for your phone. Happy messaging!